What's going on, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Broadway J, the host of this channel, Kicks and Beats. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like. This is a channel that gives back to the hood, so you know what's good. Giveaways on the first of every month, and every instrumental you ever hear on this channel right here is produced by your boy. I've been doing it for like 16 years at this point, just to get that out the way. But anyways, we're going to review my favorite silhouette of all time when it comes to Yeezy brand. This is the 700 V3. For those who don't know, go Google it. This is, which colorway is this? This is the 7th colorway at this point coming out for this silhouette. But what's crazy is it reminds me of the 2nd silhouette. Let me pull it up real quick for y'all. Let me reach. Well, I'll just leave it like that. Yeah, I'll leave it like that for now. We only need one pair. But yeah. So this is the 2nd one that dropped. They call this the Alvah, right? We're gonna take a look at this because supposedly this 7th colorway right here, which is called a dark glow, is the same exact shoe, except the colorway for the glow itself changes because this does glow in the dark, fellas. This right here, this cage right here, it glows in the dark, but this glows green, this one glows blue supposedly. Let's find out. All right, let's open this up real quick. Shout out to StockX for this W. It's real hard for me to get W's on Yeezy for a retail price. This went for 200 USD, of course, and this dropped on Yeezy Day. Check it out, y'all. That's the tag in the front. Let's take a look, man. We gotta compare this. We gotta compare this to the Alvah pair. We really do. All right. This secret info here. Let's rip it. Let's rip it out the way real quick. I don't need anybody to know where I live. But yeah, a little bit of the order number, I guess, too, just in case. And yeah, so check it out, y'all. StockX verified. Even the bottom has the yellow. Oh man, it's the same thing, bro. It's the same thing, bro. It's the same thing. Guys, it's the same thing. Just it's the same exact thing. Take a look. Oh man. All right, we're just gonna end the video. We're just gonna end the video with the on feet look. We're just gonna end the video here. Let's get to it. Peace, y'all.
Mm-hmm.